No, baby. May 4th and May 11th. But they've forgotten our anniversary. Now we they remember.
It can contain as many so that you have to tell me what to say on my channel. Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Naija Daughter TV. Now who did it? Now who did this? Now who they calavanted? Now who made it to our table? Yes, our sister who don't remember her age. She remember her anniversary. Hey! Some people can scatter my wadada for this street. Some people, who will be that? Editorial, come here. And UK, two of them made that to this my table today. Yes, so two of them made that. I have my camera just did do today, not just this set too. My people, I watched editorial video yesterday when she said, "Stop pretending." Yes, we really need to stop pretending. That title you use your hand to title, it fits you. Editorial, can you stop pretending? That is true. First of all, you said, "I can't remember my age since I got married." I should blast that video again before we blast her recent video when she said, "Husband forgot the month, the date you guys got married." You now forget the date they give birth to you. Anybody can forget their marriage date. You understand? But later you can remember. Not your date, the day, your birthday, your month, your year. How old are you? You said you forget it, but you can remember your anniversary, the very day they put ring for your hand, they marry you. Abia. You really need to start, you really need to stop pretending. If that title you title by yourself, it fits you. Let's listen.
Like 34 or 35. I don't even know my age. Since I got married, I've forgotten my age. Baby. May 4th and May 11th. So you see guys, but they've forgotten our anniversary. Now we they remember anniversary.
You remember anniversary, you not remember your age. Ha! This one pass for juju. When I see this part, how my before just do today? When I see this part, I say, this our sister. Is it this pregnancy that is, doing you? I don't really understand. You remember your anniversary. You can't remember your age. Tell me the truth. Tell me story. Hey, you really need to stop pretending. That title you titled that your video, it fits you. Editorial, my sister, stop pretending. Your husband can forget. Yes, your husband can forget the day you guys get married. For me, nothing wrong. You can remember her, but not you. You said you don't remember your age since you get married. Since you get married, you don't remember your age. But you are there accusing your husband. He forgets, the day you guys got married. I don't know what I will call you, my beautiful sister. Really stop pretending. According to that, your title. Really stop pretending. Okay? Stop pretending. Yeah, so on that video, she tried to explain between marriage and single. Married, once you are single, there is some things you will do. Once you are married, there is some things you don't need to do. Yes, that is, she explained about family, this, blah, blah, blah. If you don't watch that her video, go straight to her house, go and watch that video. The purpose of me react on this her video is because when she said, my husband can't remember our anniversary, the day, the month, the years they got married, her husband. That's the thing caught my attention. You are accusing your husband. He can't remember the day you guys got married, the month you guys got married, or the year you guys got married. Why are you accusing your husband? You sit on your camera, you said you don't remember your age. Now you are accusing your husband. You guys just met yesterday, yeah. And you, since you was born, that your age was growing, because the way we are growing, that is how our age is growing. The way we are growing, I know some people don't really know their age, but not somebody like editorial, not somebody like me. I would just say I don't know my age. We know some people who don't know their age. We know them, but editorial know her age. She said she know it before when she was single, but now since she got married, she don't care. She don't even know her age again. That place, it triggered my liver. I come and say, no, this is lie. This is big liar. That is the reason why I react on it. And secondly, our sister UK family, she come and she do video. She said, thank God it's not an African person that have a YouTube channel. Thank God it's not Africa that hold a YouTube channel. Me too, I'm still thanking God, my beautiful sister. If you still come across this my channel, I'm still thanking God it's not Africa that will hold this channel. Is white people who is the owner of YouTube. If not, yes. And she still mentioned about if you think you don't have enemy in this street, that is a big liar. That is true. Some people who you don't have anything against, you will just see them, trouble will just be smelling all over their head, their skull. Not that we have that guts, not that we have that mind, to bust you or to talk to you. But you will see the calavanti just because you are reacting, or just because you are, I don't know how to put it. So I watched that your video. As you upload it, I just watch it. I watch it. I see you lock the comment section. I will go and watch it. I always watch your video. You said some people said you don't watch video, you don't drop comments. Yes, I always analyze it on this my YouTube channel. If you drop comment on people's video, it's because you want to tell them, I'm here. I'm showing you love. There is many people who I watch, I don't drop comments. There is many people who you watch, you don't drop comments. And she still mentioned some people said she congratulates you, nelookeke, that she's doing eye service, or Nelo to know her. My people, I'll try to play some parts. You guys know I love to play some parts. Who is that person? That is big. Yeah, I don't know how to put it. What is that? We should learn how to respect people in this street. When you celebrate people, God will do your own. You, as far as you are a content creator, you have that chance. Why not? Why not? Me, I celebrate Nelo. I celebrate her because I always react on her video. Then when I see such good things, that period, I don't have that space, I don't have that chance, but I excuse it. I make sure I excuse it to make sure I celebrate with her. I don't even take that her content so serious to react or do episode. But I make sure I excuse my time to react to celebrate with her. Somebody celebrate with person. I don't see anything wrong. My sister UK, being you. At least she talk a lot. She really talk a lot on this particular video. She talk a lot.
Look at what you are doing, and they are not tired. They can contain as many as, in fact, as millions of people. So I don't know why I don't know why you feel that you have to tell me what to say on my channel, or you have to tell me who to mention on my channel or who not to mention on my channel. Please, if you see me mentioning anybody, it's my own joy. So if I celebrated Nelookeke, don't think that I'm seeking for attention. I celebrated her because she's in Nigeria.
That is somebody like me now who celebrates with Nelookeke. I'm looking for attention. Hey. Or somebody like us who always react. We are seeking for those big YouTubers. How many people those big YouTubers we know? Hey, this one shook me. If it not shook you, leave in the comment section. Problem dey this street too. Some people now don't dey too much. Me una carry am. No be only una get mouth too. People dey this street when you get bad mouths. Bad mouths. After bad mouths, they'll start threatening. Hey, cut. Hey, this. Respect yourself. We should respect our boundary. We should learn how to respect, because when they go start now, like this lady now, she now starts now talking to doing this particular person, when you say refer to her, say she dey seek for favor. If she now start to blast that person now, then we start talking about cuts or this. That's why I tell people, you guys should not let anybody to intimidate you guys with court letter. Let them say the court letter. What you are doing, keep doing it. That court letter, wait for it. Are you a reactor? People are threatening you for court letter. It's what you see on this street, you react on. Keep reacting on it. Till that court letter knock your door, then go and answer your court letter. How could you just maybe it's comment or somebody talk about it. Somebody celebrate Pepsi. You have said why she celebrates, she's seeking for. I don't understand. She's seeking for what? Then reactors who celebrate with her, that is we are seeking for. Hey.
Nigerian, and I was. When I said that, I thank God that this YouTube is not a Nigerian. Hey, they report my channel, they flag my channel, they do this. I thank God, say YouTube, when you are reporting somebody's channel, you don't know you are even reporting yourself.
This part, if you are a content creator, you have that your thinking hand, and you are using it to report other people's channel. It will backfire. You ask me why. YouTube will take their time, study this particular person who is reporting. The reason why you are reporting, you will measure it. They will study it. They will now find out you are just by belly. Your own, it will affect your own. It's your own, it will go back. Then they will see it. That is why when she said she is happy, it's not Africa that hold YouTube. Me too. YouTube will bring your own down. Your own will be the one bring it down, because they will see you are enemy of progress. Whether you use another account, as far is one network. I'm giving you guys crew now. I know some of my country people, Nigeria people, you guys will buy data. We have different phone. You can buy data and subscribe. Is good. But like network of this house, this our house now, we have one network. Except I'm going out, I have phone outside network. That outside network, still remember, is the same phone. YouTube know the phone. Then you use it to report people's channel. YouTube will investigate. Then we know you are a content creator. If you report people's channel, it will backfire you. We should be very careful. I bad belay this person, or I don't like this person. Let me do this person bad. It will come back to you in full. Be very careful. Don't say because of this person you don't like her, you want to report their channel. It will backfire you. If you are a content creator, be very, very careful. Let's listen small.
You have bad belly for the person, or because you see that the person is growing, or the person is excelling, or the person told you what you did, or maybe the person has just maybe in one way or the other confronted you. You come and report the person's channel because you want to bring the person down. That is why I say I love YouTube, because they are never tired of, accommodating millions of people. So you are your own business, because when I was celebrating with a Maya who is a Ghanaian, I did not want him to notice me. I only did what I want to do in my channel, and you cannot stop me from celebrating who I want to celebrate in my channel. Get that fact? Yes, get that fact. So please, if you are doing your talk, if you're doing anything you want to do, you see UK, this UK family show. It was a channel that people loved. It was a channel that people still love. It is a channel that people still watch. Yes. So you cannot tell me who to celebrate and who not to celebrate. That is one. And you cannot tell me what to do on my channel. It's my channel. So you do whatever you want to do on your channel. Talk anyhow you want to talk. That is you, and this is my channel. I have every right on my channel. Yes, and I also used to follow this Emmy and Fantastic Favor. So once in a while, I watch the videos. I don't really need to come and start popping, drop comments. They are big YouTubers, so as a starter or as a small YouTuber who is growing, if you don't watch the big YouTubers and see what they are doing, then you're not ready for YouTube. Yes, you're not ready for YouTube. So if I have seen what couples are doing, and you say I should not celebrate it, now you carry me come life. I be now waiting. I dey fear you. See, the earlier you think of somebody's good, or the earlier you have this good mind about somebody's own thing, the better for you. That is just it. Because when you are happy for somebody, God will always surprise you when you.
That is true. When you are happy for somebody own, God will always do your own. My sister, keep being you, keep doing things you are doing. It's true when you are a content creator, because those people who she mentioned is her line. UK do vlog, UK do yes, let me put it, vlog. She cook. CCME, she cook. And this our sister, Fantastic Favor, she do vlog like UK. She cook, she do things, bath children, she show a lot of things. She need to watch them because she met them in this feed. They are a big YouTuber. She watch them. She still mention, if you are an upcoming YouTuber, you don't watch those big YouTuber. You don't watch your fellow YouTuber. In fact, she's surprised. And when watching them, it doesn't mean that we know you. You are just watching them. Whether you like, you drop comments. Sometimes I don't even drop comments. Like today now, when I see I'm the first person who is on this lady's channel, Miss Judy, there I just drop love. Yesterday too, sometimes many times I don't even drop comments. I just watch, I comment. But for me to watch, I just go there to go and learn. That is true. If you have your channel, go and use it to do. Don't control person what this person will do on her channel. Let the person do things. Thank you all for always watching my video. Please like this video. Okay, share if you can share. There is sister, tell your brother, tell anybody. Now who did now who did now. I meet you in my next video. May God Almighty bless everyone of you who always watch this video. Support me. God will support you. Okay? I love you guys. I meet you in my next video.
Nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the guys out.